Number 10. The oldest rock ever discovered in our solar system. Long before Earth had oceans or an atmosphere, tiny fragments of rock and dust were already floating through space, waiting to collide and form planets. Scientists have found meteorites on Earth that are older than the planet itself, dating back more than 4.5 billion years. These fragments are essentially leftover building blocks from the birth of our solar system, untouched by the volcanic activity and erosion that reshaped Earth's own rocks. Every time one of these meteorites is studied, it offers a direct window into the earliest moments of planetary formation. Number 9. The oldest moon rock ever collected. When Apollo astronauts landed on the moon, they brought back more than just samples of dust and stone. They brought back a frozen snapshot of the early solar system. One particular lunar sample has been dated to nearly 4.4 billion years old, making it almost as old as the moon itself. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, no tectonic plates, and no weather to erode its surface, which means these ancient rocks have remained almost perfectly preserved. Studying them has helped scientists understand not just the moon's history, but also the violent early years of Earth. Number 8. The oldest meteorite impact crater on Earth. Hidden beneath the surface of Western Australia lies the Yara Buba crater, believed to be the oldest confirmed impact site on the entire planet. Researchers estimate that the asteroid responsible for this crater struck Earth around 2.2 billion years ago. What makes this impact especially fascinating is its possible connection to a major shift in Earth's climate, as some scientists believe it may have helped end a global ice age. A single moment of cosmic collision may have quietly reshaped the future of life on our planet. Number 7. The oldest known star in the universe. Deep in the outer regions of our galaxy sits a star known as the Methuselah Star, named after the biblical figure famous for extreme old age. Estimates place this star at nearly as old as the universe itself, having formed just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. For decades, scientists struggled with calculations that made the star appear older than the universe, which seemed impossible under current physics. Refined measurements eventually resolved the paradox, revealing a star that has silently existed through almost the entire history of time. Number 6. The oldest light humans have ever detected. Long before stars or galaxies existed, the universe was filled with a faint, ancient glow known as the cosmic microwave background. This radiation formed roughly 13.8 billion years ago, only a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang itself. It is often described as the afterglow of creation, a fossil signal still traveling through space in every direction. By studying this ancient light, scientists have been able to map the very structure and origin of the universe we live in today. Number 5. The oldest galaxy ever observed. In recent years, the James Webb Space Telescope has pushed the boundaries of how far back in time humans can see. It detected a galaxy that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, making it one of the earliest galaxies ever recorded. What makes this discovery remarkable is that the galaxy appears far more developed than scientists expected for such an early point in cosmic history. Its existence has forced astronomers to reconsider how quickly galaxies were able to form in the young universe. Number 4. The oldest black hole ever detected. Black holes are often associated with the death of massive stars, but some appear to have formed almost immediately after the universe began. Astronomers have identified a supermassive black hole dating back to within a few 100 million years of the Big Bang. Its sheer size at such an early stage of cosmic history has puzzled scientists, since there seemingly wasn't enough time for it to grow that large through normal processes. This discovery has opened new questions about how the first black holes and galaxies may have formed together. Number 3. The oldest known exoplanet in the Milky Way. Most planets discovered outside our solar system are relatively young compared to the universe itself, but one stands out as an extreme exception. Known as PSRB 1620-26b, this planet is estimated to be around 12.7 billion years old, more than twice the age of Earth. It formed when the universe itself was still young, orbiting 2 dead stars in a system unlike anything in our own solar system. Its survival across billions of years of cosmic chaos makes it one of the most unusual planets ever found. Number 2. The oldest water ever detected in space. Water is often associated with life, but scientists have traced its presence back to the very early universe, long before Earth existed. Astronomers have detected water vapor in a quasar over 12 billion light-years away. meaning the light reveals water that existed just 1.6 billion years after the Big Bang. This discovery proves that the basic ingredients for life were present far earlier in cosmic history than previously believed. It raises the possibility that habitable conditions may have existed in the universe long before our own solar system was even born. Number 1. The oldest confirmed structure in the observable universe. At the very edge of what modern telescopes can detect lies GN-Z11, one of the most distant and ancient galaxies ever confirmed. Its light has taken over 13 billion years to reach Earth, meaning we are seeing this galaxy as it existed just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang itself. In cosmic terms, this galaxy represents one of the earliest known building blocks of the universe we live in today. Observing it is essentially looking back to the dawn of time, a direct glimpse into the very beginning of everything.